Hello, dear friends. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that on my channel, I can provide you with unique holiday and seasonal decorating ideas. And if not, I hope you'll come back often for a little entertainment. To my longtime viewers, thank you always for your continued love and support. On today's video, I'll be transforming this everyday entryway table look into a fantasy Halloween treat. Stay tuned. Welcome to my Halloween decorating series for 2023. After taking all of our items off the table and giving the table a good dust, I have placed down this great orange runner, which is perfect for Halloween. And it's the perfect size and the perfect base for this other runner that I've placed on top. It is a great spider webbing with spiders, as you can see. It is originally from Pier 1. I miss them so much. I really wish they would come back, but I love bringing out this piece every year. Now to the left side of the table, this great jack-o'-lantern all plugged in. He's on a stand, as you can see, with a green trim on the stand. That's intentional. I have some green on this witch's hat, so that ties in beautifully. And the hat has spider webbing as well as spiders, which goes with our runner. This display will be orange, black, and green mainly. So now, to this little vignette here, I've added these two great little green jack-o'-lanterns. They came together as a set, but the lights seem to be a different color, which I find a bit off, but that's okay. Because I don't like that the lights don't match, I have gone ahead and moved the smaller pumpkin and replaced them with these two other pumpkins, and I really do like this little vignette now. On the other side of the table, this little glass candle holder. On top of that, I'm adding this little planter. It's a pumpkin planter. I like that it doesn't have the stem on top so that we can place this little witch's hat on top of it. Now, this is brand new. It's from Dollarama. Because it's brand new, we need to just trim off our little tag there, and it was $3.50. Now on the bottom of the candle holder, I'm adding another green little witch's hat that I purchased, also at Dollarama, also $3.50. And we'll take that off and just showing you there, $3.50. And now I'm going to add our little green jack-o'-lantern on a little matching stand there, and as well as one of those green and black striped pumpkins that I have on the other side. Now I know some would say to me, Antoinette, this looks great, perfect, leave it as is. No, 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 this is Halloween. We must go all out for Halloween. As you know, I love Halloween decorating. So what I'm going to do is take that stand that I had here on this table with my everyday look. I'm using it because it has a green top, and I think that will blend in nicely with our look. And then all I'm going to do is add just these little pieces that I have that are sort of little extras. I'm certain that every one of these pieces is likely from Dollarama. I do love my Dollarama as well as Dollar Tree. I purchase a lot from there as well. And that's just our little display there. And so this is what the entire tabletop looks like. Very full. I think you can see definitely the look that I'm after here. I'm going to be doing something to the right of the table. I was going to do something to the left of the table. I decided against that, and instead what I did was I placed something underneath the table. I find it very empty under this table, so all I did was take a big fall pumpkin that I have, put a great witch's hat on it and a witch's broom just beside it, and I think that's beautiful. Off to the side now, and this is what you see when you walk into my front door, is these great trees, these cone trees for Halloween that I purchased at Bombay and Company years ago, also before they closed. Also very sad that they closed. And then I'm using this green globe that I have that is sparkly and I think absolutely perfect for Halloween. So here we go. This is what it looks like. Now, this is not all we have for our entryway. I will be providing you with future videos showing you that, as well as a home tour video coming on October 15th. I would love to mention that I'm collaborating with some great other YouTubers. On October 15th, we'll be sharing our home tours, and I do really hope that you'll join all of us. We're all very excited to be sharing our homes with you. We love to decorate for Halloween, and we all work very well together. We collaborate wonderfully together, and there are some very exciting YouTubers included in this collaboration. So I do hope you'll join us. Now, stay tuned. This is not all we have. When we walk into my home, on the left-hand side of the entryway door is a room. It's intended as a bedroom. It's just behind these doors here. We do not use it as a bedroom. We moved into this house about a year and a couple of months ago, and we have always used this as the home office. Now, behind these doors, I'm just going to show you in a second what it currently looks like. My husband and I no longer work out of home. I'm now actually officially retired, and we no longer use this as an office. So you can see here, I have this simple little table. This is currently what it looks like. So empty, quite bland, but this room will turn eventually into my dollhouse room. Please excuse the lighting there. Here's just one of my dollhouses. And so in the meantime, what I'd love to do is decorate this table on this wall here, because when we do have one of those doors open, you will see this wall from the entryway. And so what I'm going to do is just show you, or rather give you a sneak peek of what's to come. I will share the full Halloween look in my home tour video, but for now, this is the base of what we're using. I've got this great courtly check pattern that is very popular with Mackenzie Childs, and then all these other checkered patterned pieces that I love so much. I'm such a big fan of black and white pattern, and so this is going to be the base of a great little Halloween look. I do hope again that you will join me and my friends in our home tour collaboration. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you come back.